Holly Park Christmas show.
We've got songs, breakdancers and much more.
First, let's take a look at some activities around school.
We hope you enjoy our song. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We've been working hard to deck the halls. We have a lovely story for you, the Christmas pine.
Once upon a time, I stood with brothers and sisters in a wood. The old trees told me I had grown from a tiny seed inside a cone.
The whispering wind was a friend of mine. She said that I would grow and shine. I grew up tall, I grew up high, I grew until I saw the sky.
Then came the day they cut me down and carried me off to a distant town. I travelled far across the sea. And now I am a Christmas tree. Here I stand in a city square. I stand and shine in the winter air. The lights keep me company, and Nelson keeps an eye on me. And people pass and stop a while. I love to see them gaze and smile. But more, yes, more than anything, I love to hear the children sing. Songs of reindeer, songs of snow remind me of long ago. Songs of kings who travelled far, and songs of light from a distant star. I cannot stay forever here, another tree will come next year. But think of me when I am gone, remember how I grew and shone.
We have Christmas parties this week and we have lots of fun with our friends.
Our next song is Jingle Bells.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the hill we go, laughing all the way. Hey, bells, bells, ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. The hop was ring, making spirits bright. Fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, bells on boxes ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Yo, what do you guys think you're doing? This is how we do it in 5 video troop. Dashing through the snow, in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing on a sleighing song tonight.
It wouldn't be Christmas without Christmas dinner.
We raised lots of money for Christmas Jumper Day.
It's a ball and pack tradition.
This is Lloyd's Breakdancers.
We hope you enjoyed the show.
Stay safe in the ice and snow.
Rest up over the break.
Cherish the memories you make.
Share some quality time.
Remember those with 2 fives.
Put your work on pause.
And look out for Santa Claus.
Please could you read another Santa story?
Well, to be honest, Miss Catley, this is your 12th today.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Happy Christmas, they said, and they all laughed. Well, that's an unusual and lovely story, isn't it? So, happy holidays, everybody. I hope you all get the chance to relax, to unwind, and to have some real good fun and quality time with your friends and the family and the people that are special to you. It's been another really busy year for us at Bowling Park. There have been some challenges, there have been some real successes, there have been, as always, some really special moments. Throughout, we have been incredibly proud to work with your children, and they have achieved a great deal in quite complicated circumstances. So from me, it's a massive thank you to all the children, to all the families, to our excellent staff who consistently, day in, day out, give their very, very best. And I hope that we all have an excellent Christmas break. Thank you very much indeed.
From all the staff at Bowling Park, we would just like to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and stay safe.
Hey, what do you think about the Christmas show? I think it needs a little bit more humour. Oh look, a Christmas cracker. Oh wow. Oh wow, it's a joke! Whoa. What did the elf learn at school? The alphabet.